You've done well, lad. This was a sound victory.
I don't know, Uther. The orcs were sacrificing townsfolk. I think they were trying to summon demons.
Have faith, lad. These orcs are trying to hold on to dying traditions. We defeated their demons a long time ago. Let's head for home. It's been a long day.
You must be wiser than the king. The end is near.
I told you before, I'm not interested in this nonsense.
Then I've wasted my time here.
You can show yourself now, Jaina. He's gone.
I'm sorry for eavesdropping, Master, but
It's your inquisitive nature that I've come to rely on, child. That crazed fool's convinced that the world is about to end.
I've heard the rumors of the plague spreading throughout the Northlands. Do you truly believe that the plague is magical in nature?
It's a strong possibility. That's why I need you to travel there and investigate the matter. I've arranged for a special envoy to assist you.
Yes, Master. I'll do my best.
I know you will, child. Farewell.
Prince Arthas, we've been waiting here for hours. Are you sure this friend of yours is coming?
I'm sure. Jaina usually runs a little late.
We must help her!
Stay your blade, Captain. She can take care of herself. Gentlemen, meet Miss Jaina Proudmoore, Special Agent to the Kirin Tor, and one of the most talented sorceresses in the land. It looks like you haven't lost your touch. It's good to see you again, Jaina.
You too, Arthas. It's been a while since a prince escorted me anywhere.
Yes, it has. Well, I guess we should get underway.
Our sources believe the plague originated in the region north of here. We should check out the villages along the King's Road. Sounds interesting. Sounds good.
For honor.
Prince Arthas, there's something amiss at the bridge ahead.
A sound plan. Of course.
My lord, someone has destroyed the bridge from the far side of the river. There is another way to cross, but it is not as safe as it used to be.
A sound plan. Certainly. A sound plan.
Slaughter them all.
Bandits, run!
A sound.
Sack the town.
Save us!
You are past redemption.
Oh, thanks so much. I have a reward for you.
Certainly.
My lord, there is an ancient fountain shrine nearby. Legends say that its holy waters can restore health and heal grievous wounds.
That could prove to be useful indeed. Of course. A sound plan. Justice has come. Of course. A sound plan. Certainly. For honor.
Betrayer of the light.
A sound plan. Certainly.
Lock your shields and defend yourselves. Their arrows won't get through. Skeletons, slay them all immediately.
For honor.
That's curious.
I'm here to help. What were those creatures, Sergeant?
Undead, my lord. This whole village has gone mad. We did our best to defend the villagers, but
We'll get to the bottom of this. The light is my strength. Of course. For honor.
I'll check it out.
Of course. For my father, the king. Foul knave. For honor. Certainly. A sound plan. This must be the shrine that the old man spoke of. Any man who drinks from these light-blessed waters will be healed.
betrayer of the light.